Let's check network marketing training on how to prospect like a professional, how to make anybody absolutely love you within the first seconds once you have met them. Now, my name is Ville Metsakylä and welcome to this very episode, my friend. My mission with this channel is to help you break free by helping you to become a full-time network marketer. Now, if at this point in this video you have some questions you want to ask, if you have something you want to share with me, feel free to share your comments to the comment section below. And hey, with this introduction, let's dive into the training. One of the things that I keep hearing from my team and from the people that I work with is that, let's take Viljami with us when we go here and when we go there, because everybody just naturally falls in love with him. When he's there, then everybody just wants to start the business. And I know that I'm good at prospecting. I know that I'm good at in everything that we do in network marketing, but that has absolutely not been the case always. Everything that I do has, there are skills that I've learned over the years. In fact, when I was a kiddo, when I was young, I used to be the most shy guy that I knew. I was so afraid of talking to people. I remember I think 5, 6 or 7 years of age, and I had this art class where my mother put me, and I remember there was this moment when the teacher asked from every children that what is the month that you are born in, because the group was divided based on the month that you are born in, and I didn't know which month I was born, so I had to lie because I was so terrified to at all speak, but let alone say that I don't know when I was born. Everything in my childhood, I just did not feel comfortable speaking to anybody, let alone to strangers. However, when I joined a rock band when I was a teenager and we started to do gigs, that naturally started to make the shyness go away. But still, when I started the business, I didn't feel very comfortable and confident talking to strangers. So everything that I have learned, that I know today, are skills that I've learned. I've been reading books, I've been studying different kind of seminars, different kind of audios, videos about the subject, how to make people like you, how to actually be socially intelligent, and all of those things. I just want to share this with you so you understand that no matter where you are, if you're totally terrified to speak to anybody, that is absolutely okay. Almost everybody starts from there. And it's nothing but skills that we just have to learn in order for you to start succeeding in everything that we do in network marketing. Now, in this video, there are 3 steps that I want to share with you that are just super simple and only lasts for 10, 15, 20 seconds of every introduction that you have with anybody. But those 3 steps are so powerful that when you actually practice them, that's all you need to get somebody to fall in love with you. Because remember, when somebody actually starts to like you, everybody judges. And we make judgments based on the first seconds when we meet somebody. How do they look? What is their energy? Do they smile? Do they look in the eyes? How do they talk? All of these things, we prejudge people so rapidly that you don't have even idea how rapidly we do it. So I want to, in this video, teach you simple 3 steps how you can start really making people to fall in love with you. And the first step is, before you even open your mouth, before you say anything to the other person, check out that you have your clothing, that you look like something, that you look like that you are somebody that does what is it that you're doing. You're doing business in some area. Is it health? Is it travel business? Is insurance, whatever, but you're still doing business. So you want to look like what you're doing. Then number 2 is you want to put a big fat smile on your face, and you want to make sure that your posture is a posture of confidence, of security, certainty. And when you approach anybody with this kind of a posture, including the clothing, smiling, energy, everything falls in place, and people want to they feel comfortable coming towards you. Then number 2 is the first few seconds when you are actually meeting up with somebody for the first time. Number 1 is that stare them into the eyes as long as possible, no matter if they look elsewhere. When you are speaking, just stare them into the eyes like it was a laser that you're trying to burn the other person's eyes. Then second thing is that when you introduce each other to each other, you have your firm, warm, strong handshake. But once the other person tells his name, what you want to do is that you want to repeat his name. So when you handshake, let them say their name first, and then you can repeat, oh, hello Pete, my name is Viljami. Why? Because people love to hear their own name. And now now you have already established a lot of trust in their mind. Then number 3 is that compliment the other person. Whatever there is that you can honestly and sincerely compliment from the other person, whether it's their hair or if they have a beautiful watch, beautiful shoes, beautiful suit, or great energy, nice smile, nice eyes, whatever it is, just compliment something. And when you do that, when you do those 3 things, you make sure that your energy is great when you go there, you stare them into the eyes when you give your firm handshake and repeat their name, and then you on top of that compliment the other person. They are so fell in love with you that you just cannot even imagine. Now, I know that you've heard of all of these things, but start to really consciously pay attention. And then when you move one step forward is that you want to start asking intelligent questions from other people. And one thing to be added on top of all of this, I naturally speak very fast, as you have probably noticed over these videos. But when you go and prospect other people, or whether it's in the beginning of your meetings, when you're actually having a presentation with someone who you meet for the first time, you want to actually ease and you want to slow down your speaking, because if you speak very fast, it just doesn't feel very calming. So you want to a little bit slow down when you're speaking and when you're meeting people for the first time. There's one great book that I want to recommend to you, and it's from a guy named Nicholas Boothman, and the book is titled How to Make People Like You in 90 seconds or less. How to make people like you in 90 seconds or less. And that is very self-explanatory book. It reveals all the secrets that there are when it comes to making people like you, building the bond, building the relationship with other people. Because as I told you, and really trust me, the first seconds, the first minutes are the most crucial, because then we make the judgments of other people. And if we choose to judge them and we like them, then it's not so, we are kind of free to go, we can really be ourselves, because we are already prejudged to be good guys. So what I want you to do now when the video stops playing is that write down, first of all, hope you already wrote down all of the things that I just told you, and then start consciously just paying attention to it. It doesn't have to be when you meet somebody only for your network marketing purposes. It can be just when you meet anybody, when you go to some friend's party, you meet a new person. Wherever you meet a new person and you have a chance to do all of these things, and start paying conscious attention, because that's what I started to do. I became natural prospector, I became natural presenter, because I started to pay consciously attention to all of the things that I just told you. And trust me, when you get the first 10-20 seconds right, everything falls in place automatically. Now, thank you for watching this video, and one more time, comment below if you have questions, if you want to share some stories of your own, and if you want to tell me your story when you have started to implement these things and everything. Just comment, like the video if you did get value of this training, and feel free to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified for the further videos. And thank you so much. My mission here over this channel is to help you break free by helping you to become a full-time network marketer, and I intend to keep that mission, I intend to keep that promise. So talk to you soon.